What up, what up? It's your boy Money Mitch 495, and today we're doing a special unboxing of the Jordan 4 Off-White sale. Women's joints. Was lucky enough to hit on one pair on the SNKRS app. Wish I hit on more. You know, follow me on IG, Facebook, Money Mitch 495. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All that. Right now, quick unboxing. As you can see, it's official. Off-white paper. It came with 3 different laces. I think these are cream. It's like a lightish, bluish, greenish color. Came with the black. Oh, 4 laces, excuse me. These must be like white, but they got the cream already in there. You know, the famous off-white pull tab. It says laces on the laces. Beautiful. Virgil went stupid on these. Oh yeah, classic. Off-white signature, Beavertown. You know, writing that he always puts in there. As always, these are fire. Box came with the holes in it. Sick, man. And they all for sale. Peace.